Hey, what's up car lovers, and welcome back to Car Trend, your ultimate destination for classic revivals, modern machines, and all things on four wheels. Today, we've got something absolutely wild and rugged, the all-new 2026 Ford Bronco 4x4. This beast isn't just a throwback to the glory days of off-roading, it's a modern legend reborn. And trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this full deep dive. So let's get into it. The 2026 Bronco 4x4 carries that unmistakable DNA that made the original a cult classic. With its squared stance, round LED headlights, aggressive grille, and bold fender flares, it screams adventure. Ford kept the iconic boxy silhouette, but they've sharpened every edge to make it look tougher, meaner, and absolutely ready for anything the wild throws at it. Under the hood, you're looking at a 3.0L EcoBoost V6 engine pushing out over 400 horsepower, and it's paired with Ford's 10-speed automatic transmission. Add in the legendary 4x4 system with selectable GOAT modes that's go over any terrain. For the uninitiated, and you've got a vehicle that can crawl rocks, cruise through mud, and conquer mountains without breaking a sweat. The suspension system has been beefed up too. The 2026 Bronco comes equipped with Bilstein position-sensitive dampers, front and rear locking differentials, and optional 35-inch all-terrain tires. This thing is basically a factory-built trail boss, and it's just as comfortable on the highway as it is off the beaten path. Step inside, and it's a whole different kind of wild. The interior keeps that retro-flavored utility vibe but blends it beautifully with tech-forward features. You've got rubberized floors for easy washout, marine-grade vinyl seats, a digital 12-inch instrument cluster, and Ford's latest Sync 5 infotainment system with over-the-air updates, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even trail maps built in. And here's the cool part, the roof and doors are still removable. That's right, in just a few minutes, you can transform the Bronco into an open-air, wind-in-your-hair, sun-on-your-face machine. Whether you're tearing through sand dunes or cruising the coast, this is freedom on four wheels. Customization. Ford has gone all out with this one. There are dozens of accessories, from roof racks to winches to LED light bars and even mall panels for interior storage. You can truly build your Bronco to suit your off-road lifestyle. And let's not forget safety. The 2026 model packs in adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a 360-degree camera system with off-road spotter view, and next-gen terrain monitoring systems. It's built smart, built safe, and built for everything. Now here's the real kicker. Despite all the new tech, the 2026 Bronco still feels raw in the best way. It's mechanical, it's real, it's analog where it counts. You feel connected to the road, or the lack of one. Ford nailed the balance between nostalgia and innovation. This isn't just a reboot, it's a statement. So if you're the type who craves adventure, loves classic design, but doesn't want to compromise on modern capability, the Ford Bronco 4x4 2026 is calling your name. Thanks for watching Car Trend. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow car fanatics, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the latest car reviews, restorations, and high-octane builds. See you in the next one, and keep those wheels turning.